Non-payment in business contracts can have serious consequences. When a party fails to pay as agreed, it can lead to financial strain, damage relationships, and potentially legal action. This video will guide you through the process of taking legal action for non-payment, from assessing your situation to obtaining a judgment. Before pursuing legal action, it's crucial to determine if it's worth the cost and effort. Start by evaluating your damages. Consider not only the original unpaid amount, but also any interest, additional costs, and potential consequential damages. Compare these to the estimated legal expenses to ensure the pursuit is financially viable. Next, analyze the financial health of the party who owes you money. Look at their cash equity, liquid inventory, fixed assets, and outstanding debts. If they're facing financial difficulties, selling the debt to a collection agency might be a better option than legal action. If you decide to proceed, the first formal step is sending a demand letter. This document should clearly state the amount owed, how the other party is in default, and a deadline for payment. It should also warn of potential legal consequences if payment isn't made. Should the demand letter fail to resolve the issue, the next step is filing a lawsuit. This involves submitting a complaint to a court with proper jurisdiction. During this process, you can use discovery to gather evidence and locate the defendant's assets for potential seizure. The lawsuit can result in 3 types of judgments. A default judgment occurs when the defendant fails to respond or appear in court. A summary judgment can be issued if the facts are clear and undisputed. Finally, a judgment can be made after a formal trial. Remember, obtaining a judgment doesn't guarantee payment. You may need to take additional steps to enforce the judgment, such as garnishing wages or placing liens on property. In conclusion, legal action for non-payment is a serious step that requires careful consideration. Assess your damages, analyze the other party's finances, make a formal demand, and be prepared for the possibility of a lawsuit. While it can be a complex process, understanding these steps can help protect your business interests when faced with non-payment issues.